Getting the Security Center failed to validate caller with error DC040780. Here are 5 ways you can fix it. This is the Windows Club. You may see Security Center failed to validate caller with error DC040780 because of a corrupted system file or due to the interference of a third-party antivirus with the Windows security system. Here we have shown how you can fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. Third-party antiviruses can interfere with Windows security. So you can do either of two things. Remove third-party antivirus or disable Windows Defender. Search installed apps in the search bar and select the top result. Look for the third-party antivirus you have installed and click on the 3 dots next to it. Select the uninstall option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Restart your PC after the uninstallation is complete. If you don't have any third-party antivirus installed, disable the Windows Security. Type Windows Security in the search bar and select the top result. Click on Virus and Threat Protection option. Click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection settings. Disable Real-Time Protection and Cloud Delivered Protection. Restart your PC. Method 2. Next, try disabling Windows Security from the registry. Press the Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type regedit and press Enter. Navigate to hkey_local_machine /system /current control set /services. Click on the Security Health Service key. On the right panel, look for the Start D word and double-click on it. Set the value to 4 and click on OK to save the changes. Now, look for the WSCS VC key on the left panel and click on it. Double-click on the Start D word and set its value to 4. Click on OK to save the changes. Restart your PC. Method 3. The error can be because of a third-party antivirus interfering with the normal functioning of your OS. So, troubleshoot in clean boot state to check what's causing the error and remove it to fix the issue. To enter clean boot state, type msconfig in the search and hit enter to open the system configuration utility. Click the General tab and then click Selective Startup. Clear the Load Startup Items checkbox and ensure that Load System Services and Use Original Boot Configuration are checked. Next, click the Services tab. Select the Hide All Microsoft Services checkbox. Now click Disable All. Click Apply and OK and restart the computer. This will put Windows into a clean boot state. Method 4. Another thing you can do is update your BIOS. This has helped fix the issue for many users. However, updating BIOS is risky and you need to know how to do it properly with the motherboard you have. We have a dedicated article on this topic, so check that out before you update your BIOS. Method 5. You should write to your third-party security software vendor about this issue and ask them to resolve the error as soon as possible. You can get the contact details of the vendor from the internet. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.